So hello friends, today we are discussing about the qualities of a nurse. So the concept of nursing says nursing is a call to service. Nursing is a service which includes care to sick and care to clients, whole environment, provide health education and health services. The nurse is a person who is directly or indirectly helping in the construction of the health of a country. The nurse attend the care aspects, curative perspectives and protect aspects, teaching aspects, coordinating aspects and the patient's advocate aspects of patient. And the concept of nursing is based on the factors that delivers the care should be without prejudice, regardless of physical and psychological conditions, respect for the fundamental human rights in delivery of healthcare to individuals, then establishment of helping relationship with patient, his family and the society, then ability to work independently and in collaboration with multidisciplinary team in order to develop skills and professional knowledge, time to time implementation of various health policies and programs. Then it participates in research based nursing and evaluation of research to propose evidence based practices. So let's discuss about the qualities of a nurse. So first of all, communication quality. So communication is the central role of nurses. The quality of communication is an important factor in meeting the healthcare needs of the client. Then the use of effective therapeutic and interpersonal communication skills are helpful to identify the problems of individual and as well as the family. So then comes to second point, that is emotional stability. So a nurse should be emotionally stable. Then the nursing is a stressful job. We know that the nursing is a very stressful job and one encounters a lot of traumatic situations. Then sufferings and death also. Then a nurse should be able to work without allowing the stress to cause great personal harm. Then the third, that is empathy. Empathy is the ability to perceive and directly experiencing the feeling of others. Then comes to fourth point, that is flexibility. Then in empathy, a nurse should not treat her patient as a burden, rather should focus on understanding the feeling of patient. She should have empathy for pain and suffering of patient. Then flexibility, a nurse is flexible with regards to working hours and responsibilities. Nurses are often required to work for a long periods of time, late or overnight shifts and weekend also. Then the fifth point, that is physical endurance. A nurse has a strong physical endurance and is able to tolerate standing for a long periods of time, lifting heavy objects, or it should be required to lift a people also, and performing a number of taxing maneuvers on a daily basis. Then sixth point, that is problem solving skills. So a nurse should have a critical thinking skills, and he should address problems as or before they arise. Then quick response. A nurse should be prepared and respond quickly to emergencies that arise during healthcare of the patient. Then comes to eighth point, that is respect. A nurse has respect for peoples and rules. She is mindful for confidentiality requirements, different cultures and traditions, and respect the wishes of the patient. Then economy. The nurse must be economical. She should take care of equipments and supplies. She should be able to manage the resources effectively. Then sense of responsibility. A nurse has great sense of responsibility. She is responsible towards the hospital as well as the patient. Then honesty and loyalty. This quality matters in every profession. The nurse should be honest and loyal towards her profession, professional organization, and in patient care. Then discipline and obedience. So a nurse must be self-disciplined and obedient. She should be well behaved, calm, and well poised. Then cooperative and considerate. A nurse learns to live in harmony with patients, doctors, and other members of the health team and tries to help them in times of need. Then cleanliness. A nurse is always clean and neat personally and in her work. Her demands must be of high standards of cleanliness from those whom she is associated within her profession. Then knowledgeable. A nurse must keep in touch with the latest technology and developments in medicine and treatment and must maintain her knowledge and skills at a consistent high level. Then observant. So a good nurse is always vigilant. She keeps a close and constant watch on the patient, their progress, their changes, and their reactions to treatment. She gives timely reports to the doctor. A nurse should anticipate and meet the patient's needs. A nurse understands that every step in the medical field is one that can have far-reaching consequences. A great nurse pays excellent attention to detail and is careful not to skip steps and make error. Then self-confident. The nurse must have adequate skill and knowledgeable in providing care to the patient. All care should be carried out effectively with confidence so that the patient can able to clarify the doubts regarding the therapeutic procedure and management. Then the last one, that is patience, and it is one of the important quality. It is the quality of being patient and trying to have persistent courage and calmness in enduring the annoyance and pain. That is, for example, when patient shows anger and temper against a nurse, she must forbear the patient by understanding the cause of her anger and actively listen to patient's needs and feelings. So for today, this much. So remember all the 18 points, that is 18 qualities of nurse. So beyond this, there are also many qualities of nurse.